What if the supervolcano in Yellowstone erupts tomorrow? The ground beneath Yellowstone breathes. A vast chamber of molten rock, thousands of cubic kilometers deep, pressurized beneath a thin crust. It has erupted before. Every 600,000 years, the planet resets, and we are due. So what if tomorrow, it happens again? At first, there would be no warning. A few earthquakes, steam vents opening across the park. Then, a sound, not like thunder, but like the planet tearing open. A column of ash would rise 30 kilometers into the sky. Lightning within it. Rocks, the size of houses, hurled miles away. The first explosion would erase everything within 100 kilometers. Forests, lakes, towns, vaporized. Within hours, the eruption would become continuous. Magma, ash, and gas thrown upward at 1,000 tons per second. Pyroclastic flows would race outward at the speed of sound, flattening everything for hundreds of kilometers. The United States would vanish beneath a moving continent of ash. The sun would dim by noon. Flights grounded. Cities dark at midday. Within 2 days, the ash cloud would reach Europe and Asia. Global temperature would drop instantly, by 10 degrees. Sunlight scattered. Skies turned gray and red. Agriculture would stop. Crops die without light. Supply chains collapse. Famine would begin within weeks. Sulfur dioxide would form aerosols in the stratosphere, reflecting sunlight for years. The planet would cool further. Oceans would absorb acid rain. Coral reefs would die. Hundreds of species would vanish before the year's end. Humans would survive, but civilization would fracture. Power grids, economies, governments, all fading under ash. Even years later, the ground would remain unstable. Toxic gases leaking through new vents. Rainwater turning to acid. Winters stretching endlessly. After decades, the atmosphere would clear. The world would recover, but not as it was. New ecosystems would form. Mountains of ash would become soil. Rivers would carve new paths. Forests would regrow. Different, fewer, quieter. Earth has done this before. It will do it again. If Yellowstone erupts tomorrow, it will not destroy the planet. It will simply remind us that we were never in control.